Okay, let's go. How to run the two-way so that you can on the light from the two switch. This is two gang switch. This is one gang, this is second gang. Another one, another two gang, one gang, this is second gang. So we want to use this one and this one to control here. Let's say this is staircase light. This switch is down. Before you go up, you on it. So when you dey up, you can off it here and on it here too before you come down. So let's run it so that I want to make it easy for you, more easier for you, so I draw it. This is your power supply and this is the bulb. Okay, let's go. What you should do is your neutral. This is neutral from the power supply. Carry your neutral direct to the bulb. You see, your neutral is going direct to the bulb from the power. Then you carry a maze, enter common. You carry the maze, enter the common. Now this switch now have light. You carry light 1. To light 1 here. You carry light 2 of that switch to light 2 here. Journey with light 2 here. You see, from light 1 to light 1, light 2 to light 2. So this common, you will use it as a branch to this bulb. The work is done. So you can on it here like this, and you can off it here, and you can off it here, and you can also on it here. This is two-way, very easy. This is a supply where the light come from and enter here. Very easy. And in case you still want to use this switch to control another bulb here, if you want to use this switch to control another bulb, let's say this is another bulb. Let's say this is another bulb, and you want to use this a second switch to control it. What you should do is connect from this common, carry light from this common, join it together with this common here. So now this one now has light. Then you carry light 1 to one bulb. You can carry the neutral from this bulb to here. Now you see, this bulb now has neutral. It has branch. This common, take light from this common to this common. Now this one can on this one, this one can on this one, and this one can on this one. You see now. I will also show you in my next video how to do how do they call it, this thing, that water floating switch. How to connect the floating switch, I will show you that one in my next video. Please subscribe, like. Thank you.